Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear brothers. Today I am trying Pakistan most authentic snacks, and these are authentic Pakistani as these are from the brands which are established in Pakistan and produced in Pakistan, not from the brands which are international brands produced in Pakistan. In this video, we will going to try different varieties of snacks. So stay to the end of the video to know the king beverage that I'm gonna review. If you want to know which drink is the king drink of Pakistan, do stay to the end of the video. And if you are OG Pakistani, do give this video a big like and do subscribe to my channel because your subscribe will motivate me and keep me to bring you more good stuff. And do comment below what's your favorite snack. Let's start this video with the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most.
You're all I need now. Alhamdulillah. Ala kulli hal.
So guys, I have here some of these snacks which I have categorized, and now I will review them and I will gonna tell you what I like about them and how much I would rate them and what's the brand is and purely is Pakistan. So let's start with the number one. Let's start with the beverages and then come to snacks. Number one beverage is this one. If you can see, let me show you from here. If you can see, this is a Zero Fizz Up Next. This is carbonated drink. And let me tell you the best thing about this. This is a Pakistani brand called Mizan, and they launched their range of drinks which is better than international drinks, and the name is Cola Next. And this one has no calories. You can drink one bottle per day. It's good for your health. It has few percentage high of sodium, but that's good for your overall health, and it is sweetened with the natural sweetened, so it will not disturb your health. And I would recommend you, if you want to drink, you can drink it. Let's try this. They have also Cola Next Zero, and they have other range, but especially I picked up this because it's healthy. Let's try this. Bismillah, my first sip. Let me take a sip. Alhamdulillah, it's very much great, and this Zero Fizz Up is again a great thing because it gives me the real taste of lemon, which feel in my throat that I never felt in any of the drinks which are lemonade drinks. So this is great. I would rate this 8 out of 10 because it tastes very authentic. But this is 8 out of 10. What this is worth. So I will gonna just put it over here so you can see. Next we have another beverage, and that is also another drink, and this is Forest Cola. So this is club soda, Forest Club Soda, and it's available in any of the store you can go through Pakistan. And this is by the company called Mehran Bottles. So Mehran Bottles produce Mizan beverage, and also they have produced this Forest, and this is by Mehran Bottles, and this is the sub company of Pakolan, the very famous company of Pakistan. So this is the club soda, and the best thing about this is it has no flavor, it has no cholesterol, it has no fats, it has no trans fat, it has no sugar. It's healthy and 0 calories. You can have 2, 3, 4. You can have as many as drink per day as you want. It will not ruin your health and not calories as well. So I will gonna try this, and let's see how this is different from that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's just a plain soda. It has no flavor. Yeah, but it will help you digest your food, and it's great. Wow, it's great. I would love to drink it every day. So in the matters of taste, I would give it 9.5 out of 10 because it has no taste, but it is good for your health. So I will give it 9 out of 10. So I will put it over here. Next, we have another beverage, and that's the last beverage of this video, which is the king beverage of Pakistan. This is Pakola cream soda. If you are OG Pakistani, you would know that in 90s when this brand was launched, this was the king beverage of Pakistan. It used to be the beverage of Eid Dawats or the weddings, walimas. It was a, if somebody had this drink, they would be the richest person of Pakistan. So from the nutrition factors, it has only, this drink has a lot of sugar, which is not healthy for your life. So if you drink occasionally, that's good, but don't drink it every day. And I would not drink it whole. I would just take a small sip so that it don't ruin my night. But yeah, this is an OG drink, and let's taking the first sip of the king beverage of Pakistan. That's in my hand, Pakola. Bismillah. Just a small sip I will not take. But yeah, this drink used to be my favorite drink, and with milk it tastes. So this is, I don't know which brand is this, and I never heard of this brand, and I just randomly picked it. Let me show you from this. This is the Track Crispy Hazelnut wafers. So this wafer I just picked up randomly, and when I read this, it is from a brand called the Trading Track, and this is the exporting quality product. So let's try this. I would not eat a lot biscuit because again it's high sugar content, so I would just eat one bite of the biscuit. But yeah, it's Pakistani, and proud to see that Pakistani people and Pakistani companies are upgrading their, wow. So it has triple layer coating. One is the packaging, second is this white box, and then this is another box. Wow. Now let's take the first bite. Bismillah. Let me take another bite. That's it. Even upload over here. So from the taste, it's great. It's giving me the vibe that I'm not eating Pakistani, I'm eating an international brand. And the taste is very much good. And the hint of hazelnut is watering my mouth, which I am loving about this. So I would recommend you also try this. This is a brand of Track Crispy Hazelnut. Do try this. So for the taste, I would give it 7 out of 10. I would suggest them to you. They can do more good, and they can enhance their flavor. So this comes into 7 out of 10. This has launched their biscuit, which is innovative digestive, and these are the best biscuits. As you can see, this is the digestive biscuit. These biscuits are good in health because it has source of fiber, protein, energy, and it doesn't have any sugar because it's a sugar free, and it has only 77 calories. So you can have as many biscuits as you want per day if it's coming to your calorie intake. So I would suggest you should try this. This is the whole family pack. So I would just take out one pack. I would put it over here so you can see this, and the packaging looks very minimalistic. I'm just taking the small bite first, and let's eat other bite to know is it good or not. It's very much good because it has a natural taste of whole wheat, and it's very much light, and it melts in my mouth. So it's good for your overall health and overall calories. I would suggest having this with the tea would be great, and tea without sugar. I will eat every day. I think that it can be my favorite biscuit from now on. Just keep it aside. Just today another video. If you want me to try more food, and if you want me to try more places, do let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because if you subscribe to my channel, that give me motivation to continue bringing new videos for you. And do share my video and do share my channel to the people who are interested in food, nutrition and boxing content. Meet in the next video. Jazakallah khairan. Wassalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.